Welcome everybody to today's video. It's been a long time. I know, I'm sorry. The drone needed some fixing and I kind of put it on the back burner. I had a lot of family stuff going on this year and it's been quite a ride, to say the least. But we're back and making videos. Drone's working, and my first spot here is Ventura Harbor. And I always wanted to see kind of what was there. I'm always flicking stuff at it and don't really get too much most of the time. So maybe this will help somebody out, even just this quick video. Could maybe change somebody's approach to fishing because of what we see down here. And one of them is the sargo. And I know there's certain ways to catch those fish. So they're there if you want to get them. What we were doing this night is we were setting up for lobster and we were catching some bait, and so we were doing that, and I decided to go in between shifts here and drop the drone down, and we find some pretty cool things. Not one of the more exciting videos that I've done, but hey, at least we got one going. And I already have my next trip planned. It's this little secret spot, and I've been trying to get it a bunch of times, but just the weather wasn't cooperating. So as soon as it does, I'm on it. And so what we're looking here is just basically the breakwall, and you know what we're doing. And look what I find here. You can kind of maybe see it already. I was like, oh, is that a lobster? And it is a lobster. Now, it looks like it's alive because it looks like there's some shiny parts there, but I think that's actually a molt. So, the lobsters are here. If they're molting, they're here. So, that looks like it definitely was, you know, a keeper there. But we'll go through here and kind of check it out. And there's that sargo again. So they're pretty curious, and if you want to catch them, they're there if you want them. But we just see some gold gorgonians as usual. So as I hit the bottom there, we come across this rock scallop. So they are there. It's not orange. I don't know, maybe somebody got them already. Maybe it's empty, I'm not sure. But there's some more sargo there, and it looks like they kind of dive into the rocks. So maybe we could pitch something into those rocks and have them eat it. Some live bait or something. And you can see there's an old trap right there. An old lobster trap, or whatever that is. It's kind of interesting. Remember, this is on the inside of the breakwall. There's that sargo again. When I went across the screen, those look like barred surf perch, but we get a good shot of them at the end here. And that's interesting right there. I don't know what that is right there. I wish I kind of saw it on my phone and investigated that a little bit more. But that looked like a trap and some sort of tripod thing. Maybe somebody dropped their tripod in the water. I have no idea, but that looked man-made. You can see that this rock, look at this cool overhang. I was hoping to see something in there, but nothing in here. besides that little calico guy right there. But I mean, this is great. I mean, how exciting is this? We're back with the drone. Lobster season has started. I got new scuba gear. I'm just trying to get out there with some people. I've had very limited time, but you guys know that I like doing this, guys and girls, and you know that I like showing you all what we see underneath the ocean, and I think the more education we get about this, the better for everybody, for anything that you would like to do. So I hope you guys like the video and consider subscribing, because there's going to be more. Now you can see that's definitely a barred surf perch. There's a whole school of them. That's pretty cool. So they're in here, guys. They're in here. And of course, here's some more barred surf perch. Those are the ones that we've been chasing around here. And you can see there's a lot of kelp in here, you know, but you don't really see it on the surface too much, which is it's been kind of eaten up by the boats and stuff that's been going by. But you might want to put a weedless. If you guys like this stuff, please hit this click and subscribe, like and subscribe button, and I'll bring more videos to you guys here soon. So hope you guys like it, and off to the next things, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, everybody.